So welcome back to the fourth and last podcast on leadership commitment or inspiring leadership. In the first one, we discussed about why it's important, but also how seldom it is. In the second one, we discussed characteristics of inspiring leaders, but also discussed that everyone can be an inspiring leader. In the last podcast, in the third one, we quickly touched on what are the levers or what are the approaches to become an inspiring leader. Today, in the final podcast, we want to discuss a little bit how important this topic is in St. Gallen and why it's important to us, why we care about inspiring leadership. Well, we do care for a very simple reason. It is a very important, if not the most important leadership style in the current dynamic, fast-changing environment. We did not know about the war breaking out in Europe. We did not know about COVID. We did not know about inflation 2 years ago. And everything has happened really fast. And this is the world we live in. This is the world where the leader at the top of an organization cannot take all the decisions because he or she does not have all the information. Decisions need to be taken at the front line. Adaptation of organizations in these environments is happening at the front line. And for that, people need to be committed, inspired, excited, fired up. Now, unfortunately, in 2/3 of the companies globally, that's not how people feel. People don't feel engaged. People don't feel excited. So there is a huge opportunity. A Belgian psychologist who is a professor emeritus at INSEAD once said that many firms have gulag, Russian concentration camps, gulag properties, where people don't self-realize themselves, where people are under the hood, where they cannot emerge as individuals, as human beings, and work to their best abilities. We're excited about the topic because we believe that by helping individuals become better inspiring leaders, we can create many more companies that do not have gulag properties. We can create many more organizations that provide the platform, the context, the opportunities for people to be their real self, to bring their heart to work, and for them, work not to stop being work, but becoming a passion, becoming something, a source of energy. And I believe that with the thousands of students that we educate in St. Gallen every year, if they go on, do careers, come into leadership positions, and if they can be inspiring leaders, we believe we can make a difference. Because they will lead organizations of hundreds of thousands of people. And if those 100,000 of people and their families live a more realized, a more happy, a more fulfilling life, then I think we've made a difference. Thank you.